Just wanted to show you guys how I installed this diffuser, third brake light. So there'll be a little opening about right here. I put the wire up through. You fish it through, and then let me show you. And then that little opening, the wire will be there. But you'll need some grabbers for it, because you're not gonna be able to get your hand through there. And then from there, I ran it through the seal to the trunk, and then at the back right here. So how you wire this then? It's black to black, and then red to olive green, and white to red.